All right, in this video, what we're going to be doing is measuring the valve stem installed height on this head. And to do that, we need this tool right here, which is a dial indicator with these special adapters made just for this. So we've selected the one that will work on this particular head that we're measuring. And now we're gonna have to zero this tool because this tool doesn't actually take any measurements on its own, right? So it has to be zeroed to some sort of a standard. And the standard that we're going to use is just a flat surface. So to do that, we're just gonna get it to the point where that tip of the dial indicator is just poking out right there. And now we're gonna tighten these little screws on the side. And now what we can do is we can lay this on a flat surface, like the table, and then we can zero it. Now that we've zeroed it, we know that once we pass that zero line, we can start counting revolutions. And every revolution on this dial is 0.1 or 100 thousandths. Okay? So this part is kind of difficult because this has a round tip on the end of this, and this is a pretty small valve. But you're just going to very carefully slide this on and count your revolutions. So starting right now, we'll start counting. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so it went around 17 times. And so we know that 10 of those revolutions will equal 1 inch. So we got 1.7 and then the reading. And we're pointing at about 4.7 right there. So 1.747 is our valve stem installed height. Compare that to specification. And then slowly release this as best you can so we don't jar the internals of our dial indicator, and move on to the next valve.